Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Just had my usual morning routine, drinking coffee and journaling with Henry in the porch. And usually when I get on the porch, Henry meets me, but he was already there this morning, so I'm about to go to the gym. I am doing chest, tris, and shoulders today. I'm switching up my workout split and starting the week with chest because I have off tonight. I like to make fun recipes when I have off just because I have like the whole day. So I think tonight my inspo that I have in mind is sriracha honey chicken bowl. So I guess I'll film that tonight. I guess my vlog channel is turning into a cooking channel. Welcome to Cooking with Izzy. Today we're making some sriracha honey chicken. So I'm doing the sriracha honey right now. Basically just sriracha honey and a little bit of olive oil and some seasonings, and it was so good. Oh, and some garlic. I'm chopping up some vegetables and just gonna cook those for a little bit. Add some olive oil and seasoning. I have broccoli, zucchini, and sweet potatoes. So basically all I did was soak the chicken breast in the sriracha honey and then cook that for a little bit, and then I saved some and put the rest on my meal afterwards. I also shredded some carrots and used some avocado and cooked some rice, but it was so good, and here's the finished product. Yummy. And then later I made my homemade granola. If you want the recipe, I will put it in the next video, but I absolutely love making this. Hey everyone, welcome to a new segment called Creamy with Izzy. So Chloe is a Ninja Creami. If you don't know what a Ninja Creami is, it's basically like a ice cream maker, but it makes it really quick. It's like a blender. You literally can basically make anything. So today we're gonna try a Fruity Pebble Creamy. It has to sit in the freezer for a while, so it is frozen. So I'm gonna eat it tonight. We're gonna see how it is. But yes, with Fruity Pebbles, I see like so many recipes on TikTok and Instagram, and I saw this one on Instagram from this one account, and we're gonna try it. I'm going to be using about 1/3 of this Premier Protein shake, the Cake Batter Delight flavor, and then some almond milk, and I'm going to soak the Fruity Pebbles for a couple hours so that taste gets into the milk, and then we'll make the rest of the creamy. We're gonna let this sit for a few hours. Okay, I just strained the Fruity Pebbles out, so I'm gonna dump it in the creamy, and I'm definitely gonna have to add more liquid. I'm adding sugar-free vanilla pudding mix, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this cake batter flavoring. All right, into the freezer she goes. Here's my frozen creamy, ready to go. Into the creamy. Chloe got promoted at work. She's now a master stylist, and she got some samples. So the creamy maker in our household is actually in the stairs to the basement because the machine is very loud. Oh, I forgot to. Give us a haul.
Arnco Blue Oil Repair Splash on Styler and a dry shampoo puck.
Wow.
She got promoted. She's a master
I'm a
stylist.
master. Are you serious? Yeah.
Yay! Yum. I'm gonna rate my creamy
They put the
Fruity
beans
Pebble
on.
flavor
I was down
1
with
out
the
of
beans
10.
on, put it in, and then Brian, Boris is Brian. I got some stuff here for you, but the big one.
I would say like,
I said I'll be there.
it's like point 5. I think this is like a 9 out of 10 for me. Stay tuned for next Creamy with Izzy. Morning. I'm doing my everyday morning routine, and Henry's not even here. And this is the one day I actually brought him a treat so we can share our morning treats together, but he'll come. I'm not worried about it. Here's a little haul with Izzy. So I fell into the trap of the Instagram scheme, and there was a product, protein bars, and you could just pay for shipping and they're free, so I did it. Sample pack of protein bars. So small. So we have a salted caramel, cookies and cream, and brownie batter, but it's the puff version. So I guess I'll try them out and see if they're good. What? Sorry, this random man is in my yard and he just keeps disrupting my haul. Thanks for watching. Hopefully Henry joins me. Where have you been? I recorded my conditioning workout for this day, so it starts off with 15 squat to snatches on each side. And I did 4 rounds of this workout. And then going into 20 kettlebell swings, and then following with 12 box jumps. And then 15 mountain climbers, I said that weird, climbers on each side. Then I did 12 of these like kettlebell leg lift things, following with 12 leg lift to opposite toe taps. And then finishing with 12 burpees. And then I ended with 4 different sets of sprints, and in between those I did a minute of jump roping. So you guys should all try it out. Very good workout. Ninja Creami prep. Today we're doing honey grams though instead of the Fruity Pebbles. I just didn't feel like talking when I was making this, so here's a little voiceover, but again, I'm soaking the honey grams in the milk and protein milk. Okay, I'm adding more almond milk, a little bit, and then I'm going to add a serving of some sugar-free vanilla pudding mix, a little bit of evaporated milk, maybe like a little bit of more protein powder, and then I'm gonna freeze it, and we're gonna make it later tonight again because I need something sweet after dinner. It's like an issue. Hi everyone. So I didn't show me making the rest of this golden graham creamy, but we're gonna rate it 1 through 10. Yesterday's was a 9.
Let me try it.
Well, it's not as good as yesterday's. Oh really? And it doesn't really taste like golden graham. Here, you wanna try it? You like it?
Not as good as yesterday's.
What did you make today?
My Oreo.
You like it?
Yeah, it's got that crunch in there. That's good. Can I try yours, Chloe? That's not bad too. I think I like Izzy's better, but yours
I like yours better.
I like Izzy's.
Mine's Oreo.
I'm gonna rate mine a 7 out of 10.